Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to stop your applications from auto-updating. So let's get started. First we have to open Play Store. Then tap on these three dashes in the top left corner. Go to Settings. Then choose Auto Update Apps. And you can choose, as you can see, between three options. We'll be choosing Don't Auto Update Apps. Tap on it, click Done, and that's all. Your apps should not be updating themselves anymore. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.